everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start a little mini project pan. I said I wasn't going to do one for this year because my year is kind of up in, I don't know what's happening. It's going to be a crazy year. But I do know through April I will be here. So I'm going to do a little 3-month project pan. I'm going to start it now. I'm going to end it at the end of April. So I picked out 6 items that I want to use up. There's no like eyeshadows or blush to hit pan on. These are all items I want to use up. So I'm going to start with the body items and then go into the makeup. Like I said, I only have 6. So first I have from Bath & Body Works this Diamond Shimmer Mist Maui Hibiscus. It's got shimmer in it. I want to use this up. I don't want to move this with me. So I'm going to mark it. I'm going to sit it on a table. And mark it. So there we go. That is where we're starting with this. It smells very tropical. It smells nice. So this I want to be gone in 3 months. Next, I have a Bath & Body Works. It's a 2-in-1 bath, body wash, and bubble bath. And this is from the Halloween season, Wicked Vanilla Woods. And I love it. Can you see how iridescent it is? Pretty cool. Let me mark it. There we go. So I marked it on the side. So this I'm going to use up. Next, I have a skincare item. I got this in a subscription boxer bag. I can't remember which one. I use it occasionally, but I am really going to focus on it. This is Tony Moly, the Choc Green Tea Watery Essence. I use this when I don't feel like I need a heavy moisturizer. So I am going to focus on this. I'm going to put the line right there. So, I want that gone. I want that gone. Now, makeup. I have 3 items in makeup. One is my Cover FX Power Play Concealer. I am almost done with this. I can't see where. When I go in and move I can tell it's down below there. I think it's somewhere. I'll put it where I think it is. I think it's somewhere. I think it's somewhere down in there. So, I love that concealer. I haven't wanted to pan it, or yeah, put it in a project pan because I really, really like this concealer. They had it on sale at Beautylish, but I'm not sure if it still is on sale. I don't know if I want to repurchase this or try something new, because I always like to try new items. But this is something I would repurchase, but I need to use it up so I don't have to move it. And next I have a couple of foundations. One is a BB cream. Now I have held this up to the light and I cannot see where I am on this. I can't tell. It's not near empty, but it might be somewhere in here. I'm not going to mark it because I don't really know. There's a bit in there though. I want to use this up before we move, or use it way down, and so I won't have to move it. I'm not so picky that it has to every little bit be scraped out. That's not how I work. I mean, when I get way down almost to the end, that's good enough for me. I just get tired of using the same products. So yeah, I want to use this up. I mix this. This is too light for me. I could use it just this, but it's the color's too light. This color is light medium. I got this from Etsy, not Etsy, Ipsy, yeah. Got it from Ipsy. I remember purchasing it like it was an add-on or something and thinking light medium would probably work. And it's just way too light for me. Here, let me get a little out. Put it on my hand. See, it's too light for me. It's too light for my skin. So I mix it. So what I am mixing it with, I want to use up, is my Tarte Face Tape. There we go. I am way up there. Let me mark it. That's where I'm at. I only have that much to go. I like this. This is in 35B medium beige. Right now, it's just a little too dark for me. But when I mix this with this, that's what I have on today. And I like it. I like how it looks. So, I'm mixing these two together. If I happen to run out of this before the 90 days, I have another Tarte foundation I can rotate in and use it to use this up. But yeah, that is the 6 products I am going to use up before the end of April. And then we will reassess later in the year if I want to do something else, or we might just wait until next year to do another project pan. But that's it for now. I went through everything, and there's nothing else I feel like I can use up in 90 days, in 3 months. So, yeah. I want these are 6 items that I don't have to pack. So guys, thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.